Want to get cheat sheets, audiobooks, lessons, apps, and much more every month for free? Just click the link in the description to get your free language gifts of the month.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Cantonese Weekly Words. Today we're going to talk about currency exchange, 外幣兌換, 外幣 foreign currency, or sometimes you would hear a more technical term, 外匯, for foreign currency. For example, 炒外匯, foreign currency trading, forex trading. 兌換, to exchange, 兌換. We use this for money only, for currency only, so we don't say we 兑換 a product at the store. We usually just say 換 if it's not currency. So currency exchange, 外幣兌換. 唔該，我想兌換2000蚊港幣. Excuse me, I want to exchange 2,000 Hong Kong dollars. Sometimes you might hear 唱 as the verb exchange for money. So 唔該，我想唱2000蚊港幣. Hong Kong dollars, 港幣 or 港元. Hong Kong dollars. I have some Hong Kong dollars here. 20蚊港幣. 100蚊港幣, 500蚊港幣. And because the $100 bill is red, we call it 紅衫魚, red clothes fish. 紅衫魚, red clothes fish, is a kind of fish that is red. That's why we call it 紅衫魚. We also have $1,000 bill. It's golden color, so we call it 金牛, the golden bull, golden cow. 金牛 as the $1,000 bill. But since 2013, because there were a lot of counterfeit $1,000 bill in Hong Kong, many establishments, many shops stopped taking $1,000 bill. So even at the bank, they would give you 2 $500 bills instead of one $1,000 bill. Keep note about that, and don't be surprised when you go to a restaurant or a shop and they refuse to accept the $1,000 bill. Okay? 有啲鋪頭唔收1000蚊港幣. Some shops do not accept $1,000 Hong Kong bill. 歐羅 Euro. 歐羅 Euro. Here I have 45 euro. 我有45蚊歐羅. And in the financial report, sometimes they use 歐元. It's the same as 歐羅. 歐元is like Europe money. So 歐羅 is euro. So they are the same. 我下星期去歐洲旅行，要兌換啲歐元. I'm going to Europe for a trip next week, so I need to exchange some euro. 英鎊 British pound, 英鎊. I have 20 British pounds. I have 20 British pounds. 我有20英鎊. 20英鎊可以買啲咩呢? What can I buy with 20 British pounds? Let us know in the comment section. How would you spend it? 日元 Japanese yen. 1,000日元. 5,000日元. 1,000日元. Or just yen. But we cannot really write it out in Chinese. There is no such word as yen. We sometimes put the dollar sign, the yen sign, as yen. 1,000 yen, 5,000 yen, 10,000 yen also work. So you don't have to say 日元, but on the news they will say 日元, they will not say yen usually. 香港人非常留意日元走勢，因為要去 shopping. Hong Kong people pay a lot of attention to the Japanese yen because we love shopping there. So now that Japanese yen is cheaper, everybody is like taking a trip to Japan for shopping or vacation. And it's so much cheaper than what it used to be like 5 years ago. So that's it for today. Today we talked about currency exchange, 外幣兌換. And what kind of currency do you use in your country? Let us know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can check out more videos like this. Please also check out CantoneseClass101.com for wordlies and lesson and many other free resources. So I'll see you next time. I'm Olivia. Bye!